In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import Trello cards from a CSV file step by step. If you have a list of tasks in Excel or Google Sheets and you want to move them into Trello quickly without creating each card manually, this method will save you a huge amount of time. We'll be using a Trello power-up to handle the import process safely and efficiently. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the authorization step, because that's where most people get stuck. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where you want to import your cards. This is important because the import will happen directly inside the board you're currently viewing, so double-check that you're on the correct board before moving forward. Once you're inside your board, look for the Power-Ups section. Click on Add Power-Ups. Power-ups are Trello's way of adding extra features and integrations to your board, and in this case, we'll use one to import your CSV file. After clicking Add Power-ups, you'll see a search bar. Type in the word Import. This will bring up available import tools that allow you to upload spreadsheet files into Trello. When you see the Import Power-up in the results, click on Add. Trello will then prompt you to confirm that you want to enable this power-up for your board. Click Add again to confirm. Next, you'll be asked to accept the permissions for the power-up. Go ahead and click Accept. These permissions allow the tool to create cards and organize data inside your board based on the file you upload. After accepting, you'll see an option that says Authorize with Trello. Click on that button. This step connects the power-up securely to your Trello account so it can perform the import. If prompted, confirm the authorization in the pop-up window. Now you're ready to upload your file. Click on the option to select a file to import. You can upload either a CSV file or an XLSX file, so if you're using Excel or exporting from another system, both formats are supported. Choose your file from your computer and upload it. Once uploaded, Trello will show you a preview of your data. This is where you can review everything before finalizing the import. Typically, you'll be able to map columns from your spreadsheet to Trello fields such as card title, description, due date, labels, or list name. Carefully check that your columns are mapped correctly. For example, make sure your task name column is mapped to the card title field. If you have due dates or descriptions, confirm those are assigned properly as well. Taking a moment here prevents messy imports later. Once everything looks correct, proceed with the import. The power-up will automatically create cards based on each row in your spreadsheet. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few seconds. After the import is complete, review your board. You should now see all your newly created Trello cards organized according to the data from your file. From here, you can move cards between lists, assign team members, add labels, or continue organizing your workflow as needed. And that's it. That's how you import Trello cards from a CSV file quickly and efficiently using a power-up. This method is perfect for migrating project data, onboarding new task lists, or moving from spreadsheets into a more visual workflow. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.